Hello kids, today topic is animal and their homes. Dog live in kennel. Elephant live in forest. Bear live in cave. Tiger live in den. Deer live in grassland. Horse live in stable. Cow live in shed. Lion live in den. Monkey live in tree. Giraffe live in savanna. Camel live in desert. Bird live in nest. Frog live in pond. Snake live in snake hole. Rabbit live in burrow. Donkey live in stable. Ant live in ant hill. Panda live in bamboo forest. Fish live in water. Duck live in near water. Bee live in hive. Hen live in coop. Cat live in cattery. Mouse live in hole. Sheep live in pen.
Thank you for viewing. Remember to show your support by liking, subscribing and sharing the channel.